Welcome everybody, it's your boy Crypto Weapon, and we're here to showcase another platform that's printing consistently, and this is Falcon Invest. As you can see, just to recap, you get 150 ROI over the course of 30 days, and that is 30 straight days. So that's not 30 working days, that is 30 straight days, including the weekend. And what you do get is you get your capital investment returned to you on a daily basis with your gains on top of that. So every day you're reducing your position in the platform. Now, if you are new to the channel, this video is courtesy of Crypto Earning Weapon, where we showcase some of the most popular DeFi projects that are available to us. Now, you can join this project if you like. The link is in the description. Take a look at it, see if it's something for you. Please, guys, do like and subscribe. We would appreciate all the support that you have been giving and will continue to give in the future. Let's try and get up to 300 subscribers. Now let's jump into my account and do a withdrawal, guys. So this platform, I just come in, I do a withdrawal, and I leave it alone. I almost deposit and forget. And this is what's happened in this platform. So if I go across to Tether, it shows I've got 75 USDT left in there. I've made a withdrawal before on the 28th of August. I've obviously gained 15 USDT every day since then. And we are just going to complete a withdrawal. So I'll go across to withdrawal. Make sure you click Tether if that's the cryptocurrency you use to invest in the platform. Put in your security code. Click withdraw, and your application has been successful. And that's all you have to do, guys. If I go back to my account, click on Tether, it's all gone. Now I've obviously got a 300 USDT investment. I have earned 990, so everything is going smoothly. Let's take a look at my investment. So of the 300, I've been in for 11 days, so I've got back 165. As soon as I hit 20 days, I'll get back my 300 USDT, and from then on I'll benefit from the extra 50% ROI, which is 150 USDT. So this is flawless. Falcon Invest. Thank you for watching the video and all your support, guys. Just a quick video to show you how I do it with Falcon Invest. Just come in, withdraw, and forget about it. And on that note, please do like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.